Welcome to the channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos. I want to bring you this review on this service or product. We enjoy bringing you our opinion on what we think of different products and services. We do ask you to subscribe, share, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. We appreciate having you here. We hope you enjoy this review video, and we look forward to bringing you more info. So make sure you share. So, let's get on to our product or service we're offering.
I'm doing a review video today on Pep Boys here in Hobe Sound, Florida. Actually, just at the time of this recording the night before, we were coming home and we end up hitting a piece of wood on the highway. It slid our tire, had to put the spare on. So I just took the tire in today and went and said just need the set of tires were basically still newish, hadn't been driven a whole lot, and it slit the sidewall. Of course, we hadn't purchased the tires at their place. They'd been purchased somewhere else. So I want to give a thumbs up, a 5-star thumbs up, because the gentleman that worked with me did not try to upsell me quick. He said, "Oh, too bad. That looks like a nice tire." So he just said, "Just get the cheapo. Then when you need that wears out, all the other tires will be ready and change all 4." So I give the treatment was quick, very friendly, took care of us, and I just want to give a thumbs up for Pep Boys in Hobe Sound, Florida. They did a good job and took care of me very quick. So if you need any help with your car, tires, brakes, whatever, Pep Boys, Hobe Sound, Florida, and you'll be able to see the address and the info. They are located Pep Boys Auto Service and Tire, and formerly it was just brakes. They're located at 11350 Southeast Federal Highway, Hobe Sound, Florida. Their phone number is 772-546-2195. So I'm just letting you know they took care of me. Shout out to them. And if you would, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends, and connect with us on social media. And if you have a business that needs reviewed, we'll be happy to talk with you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.